Your stream ended abruptly. Yeah, I mean, I was having a network issue. Sorry for that. Is everything okay now? Sound, BGM, visual. Any issue with that? It's I don't know if the stream is good or not. Okay, yeah, thanks for confirming that. All right, now we are going to get this doesn't look good because I have used animation spec before, but yeah, can you increase the font size? Is this fine? We are going to get the animation spec, but I'm looking if there's any way we can create a custom animation spec. I don't know. There was some area where I defined this. Awesome. Okay. This was returning enter transition. Okay, this is transition spec. This is animation spec. Okay. So animation spec expects is something like what is that? Animation spec. Okay, animation spec expects the tree. What is it actually called? Finite animation. It needs in animation. Okay, animation spec. Okay, animation spec. We need to get it from no. A bit more, please. Yep. Animation spec. Not this. I want the class documentation if it's available. Is it available here? Yep. I think it's the same we have inside the Java docker. I was expecting some example or the class. Okay, non-indirect classes. That is what I was looking for. So we don't have yeah, it expects to Spring animation, but I want to see all possible the non-children of that class, non-child of those classes. Tween Spring and different kinds of animation. Tween Spring, yeah, I mean I think the stream is little delayed. I'm looking for the direct children or subclasses. Okay, finite animation spec and float animation spec and infinite repeatable spec. Okay, non-indirect classes, duration based animation, float spring spec, float tween spec, keyframe spec, repeatable spec, snap spec. Okay, cool. I think finite animation spec is part of keyframe spec and snap spec and tween spec, and float animation spec should be float spring spec and float tween spec. Okay, float tween spec, float tween spec, what is that? Float tween spec animates a float value from any start value to any end value using a provided easing function. The animation will finish within the duration time. Unless a delay is specified, the animation will start right away. Float tween spec. So this float tween spec, can I say float tween spec here? No. Can I say float tween spec here? Yes. But I don't understand how it spec usage. Let's comment this and try run the app. Okay, now let's tweak something. Let's give the 2 seconds of delay. And how that is different, yeah, we'll figure that out. Okay, now what are we going to do? We will do the same with a tween spec. Okay, we will animated values here. This is just for debugging. Tween animated value by animate float as state. Okay, we will use the same target value but different animation spec, that will be tween. Okay, and wait a second, I think tween is actually tween spec. Okay, tween spec is duration based animation spec. It returns finite animation spec, that's okay. But what is the purpose of this float tween spec? Animates a float value from any start value to any end value. What is that start value and end value? Delay easing. Easing from using a provided easing function. The animation will finish within the duration time unless a delay is specified. Float animation. Float. Let's see the difference if there is any. So this is tween animated value.dp. Okay, we will call a delay of 2000 ms here also, and here we have the fast out, slow in easing, and here using fast out, slow in easing. I mean, it should be same. I don't understand the purpose of float tween spec. It's building on. It's build. Okay. It's the same. It accepts exactly the same pattern. Float tween spec. Okay. Pretend to do properly support nanos in the implementation. So you're kind of making playground for animation in Compose and trying out things. Exactly. Yes. So I'll show you the home screen, and I think that will give you more. I think that should give you a big picture. The big picture. Okay. We'll go to the. Oh, sorry. I think it was invisible due to the camera. Okay, now we have all the APIs here. Most of them are under, under construction or work in progress, you can say. So animated visibility, we have, we have a screen like this. We have a list. Inside each list we have different kind of animations. You press this button, it will do the animation as described here. And yeah, that's it. Nothing much. Slide in, slide out vertically. This is slide out, this slide in. Dumb coding, this should be a thing really for those of us trying. Yeah, maybe. We'll respond to that tweet later. Okay, now so we have a list here. Each screen, we loop through the screen and create a destination for each of those titles, and it will display there. These are the to-dos. Alright, now we are going to Slack. Probably I will need to come on. Okay, we'll go to the go here. I will put this away. We'll go to the Compose Slack channel and we'll ask what is and how is it different from tween thing animation. Let's make it a little bold. Hopefully someone will respond to that. Okay, cool. I always have found animations in Android hard, but with Compose stable version now I find it interesting. Yeah, interesting is the right word, because for me it kind of confusing. I mean, if you look at the animation API, there are different APIs for different things. I mean, I think in time it will make sense, but we need to practice. Okay, debug, we didn't find any difference, so we'll go with this one. We'll say custom animation spec. There is no custom. Okay, is it possible to create a custom animation? Let's create a custom animation. I mean, I'm just trying. There is a tween spec duration based animation spec. Not simple. Yeah, I get confused as a beginner a lot. Yeah. Yep. Duration based animation spec. Okay. Vectorize is what? Vectorize two-way converter. Vectorized. Okay, it will give the converter, and we need to return. Not we. They need to return a vectorized duration based animation spec. Vectorized tween spec. Okay, I think this is where the magic happens. To do support different tween on different dimensions. Dimensions means what? Dimension or anyway. It actually accepts duration, delay, and easing, and there is an anim object which is instance of vectorized float animation spec, and we are passing plot tween spec. Plot tween spec was the okay. Now it makes sense. But I'm thinking from nanos. Vectorized animation spec returns this, and anyone using the return value override fun. Okay, finite animation spec. Okay, wait, what was the method name there? Get value from nanos. That's why we have it here. Where is this being used? Vectorized animation spec. Get value from nanos. Repetition playtime nanos. Repetition playtime nanos. This animation takes another vectorized duration and plays it infinite times. Okay, this is the infinite spec. We are not looking. Okay, it's being used there. I'm looking if this is being used anywhere regarding related to the values from nanos. Vectorize animation spec. Okay, animation. Okay. This is out of my league. It looks. I'm not going to understand this stuff without proper guidance. Okay. We'll go to our interface. So Queen animation using Queen spec, but I don't know why they put it as a public API. I don't know if you can do anything with that. I don't know. Let's wait for that answer. Meantime, I have a question for you. Why don't you try to be GDE? It's okay if your choice. I respect that. Just curious though. I will reply for that in DM. I mean, I'll give you the response via DM or something. Okay. I mean, we don't have too much people, but anyway. I'm talking like we have like 100 people watching my stream. Blah. All right. Okay. Now we have seen the output. Custom animation spec. I don't know how to create that, but I just can't get rid of this from my mind. Custom animation spec, compose animation. Anything, anywhere. Animation spec made easy. Okay. Jetpack compose animation tutorial. It's tutorial or tutorial. It's tutorial pronunciation. Of tutorial. British.
Tutorial.
Wow.
Tutorial.
Alright. Anyway, I'm not going to say neither of them. We will go here. What is this one notification? Kate Chen clapped. Thank you, Kate Chen, for the clap. Okay. Oh, this is a good way to, show that interpolator. Accelerate. This is fun actually. We should give some clap. I like the example. Comparison of animation with the different interpolators. That's cool. Who's this guy? Yeah, I think he works at JetBrains. I don't know, but I've seen this DP in Twitter. I think that's him. Yeah, anyway, never mind. Comparison of fan animation with different interpolators. Okay. This is anticipate overshoot interpolator. Interesting. Oh. In Jetpack Compose now, there are various ways to interpolate different animation. Okay, we have three type of basic animation spec. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. Like the plot spring spec. This reminds me of school, where they have kind of software where we logged in and they taught us the pronunciation. I had fun there. Alright. Okay, so animation spec is the master class of all animation specs. Then we have float animation spec, finite animation spec, and infinite animation spec or infinite repeatable spec. It should be infinite animation spec, I guess. Infinite is always repeatable, right? But anyway, here in float animation spec we have float spring spec. Okay, then we have float tween spec, and I think tween and spring using the spec inside that. Okay, so now all animations have a spec inside that. Now under finite animation we have repeatable spec. I think that is what we are using for repeatable spec. Do we have, oh yeah, we have a repeat animation, makes sense, right? Where is the repeat animation? Anyway, repeat, okay, repeatable spec, right? Repeatable spec, wait a second, repeatable spec, repeatable spec should be, okay, is that, I mean, it's just from the standard function, repeatable. Okay, I think this is from the animation. This should have repeatable spec inside. Okay, now this repeatable spec is using what? Animation vectorize repeat mode. Where is this came from? It came from duration based animation spec. Okay, going back, what is that? Duration based animation spec. Oh, that we need to pass. Okay, now repeatable spec, so that's it. Okay, repeatable. Then we have duration based animation spec, which is the parent of snap spec. So we also have something called snap. Yes, snap, that will be, that's using the snap spec. Then tween spec, now float tween spec and tween spec, float animation spec and finite animation spec. We have spring here. Spring is kind of float animation spec. Okay, finite. I am thinking why the float, I mean spring animation didn't came under it. Why it doesn't float animation spec. Okay, I think it should be inside, you know, finite, and technically there should be like two animation spec, finite and infinite. Under finite we could have spring. I mean, there should be some reason, I don't know. Anyway, we have duration based, then snap and tween. Okay, spring can also be duration based, right? I mean, the spring is not duration based. How, what is the definition behind, you know, what is the definition of duration spec here? How do we say an animation should be come under duration spec? Spring if it's a floating spec is just for internal purpose, why is it public? Okay, Okay. Spring spec here. Float. Okay. Oh, we have spring spec here. Okay. Now my next question is the same way. Twins. What is the difference between twin spec and float twin spec? But I don't know. Yeah, twin spec actually receives a generic object. Okay. And float twin spec is extending from twin spec, should be. So float twin spec is extending from float animation spec. Okay. Float animation spec. It doesn't have anything to do with twin spec. The internals are very confusing to me. Why the naming is so why float twin spec doesn't extend float twin spec of. Technically it should be, I'm expecting something like float twin spec equals or extends, twin spec of float. But unfortunately these two clauses I think doesn't have any connection, or I don't know. These are just assumptions. Maybe I'm stupid. Most probably I'm being stupid here, but I don't know. Anyway, this is a slow process. Just for your information, whoever is watching, we are experimenting with things. Okay, animation spec usage, we have some delay over here. Okay, that's cool. Then we have custom animation spec, which does nothing. We won't have this. Okay, and maybe we need to pass some title over here. I typed XML, I guess. Alright, anyway, simple usage and animation spec usage. Yeah, it should be single word, I guess. Animation spec usage. One simple class and one generalized class. They should have given generalized one only, I think. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, the API is still in alpha, I guess, isn't it? It's in alpha or 4. I mean, I don't know. I don't have any idea. Okay, maybe we need to have something like a composable, like it will accept a title and also it accepts the content, which will be a composable lambda, which should be returning that, and we will get the title from here. We'll put some margin over here. Okay, margin of, it's a space, margin of space of like 4 dp or something. Yeah, and we will render the content over here. Now we will change the name to what? What do we call it? Child sample. Yeah, child sample. I don't know. What do we call this? What do we call that? Sample maybe. Elmilo31, thanks for the follow. Child sample, yeah. Child. I don't know, man. Naming is the hardest part. Should be like this is the parent sample, okay, and so this is his child sample. Maybe let's go with that name. No harm done. Child sample, and we will put this inside the composable, which is common. Since we have some import error, we'll copy paste it again, fixing all those errors. And now we go over here, we will wrap it inside child sample, and it should be there. We should remove the spec. Then we go here, we'll call this again. We then go here, copy this, paste this, remove this, backspace, format. Okay. All right. Now we have, this should be private. Okay, now we have the animate float as state demo. Then inside the animation item, next we are going to play with color state. So let's give it a commit. We'll say commit add, no add, I mean we had some commits for the float as state, I guess. Okay, now we'll say finish animate float as state. So yep, it has an emoji. Yep, and it should be is active. Yeah, this should also be is active. Okay, now we will create new demo for animate float as state demo. The property will create a new package float. Float goes here. Refactor. Why invalid package name? Oh, float is a keyword. That's a good validation, but why the red is not going away? Okay, we'll name it float with a T. Now that's a bug. Go away. Re-render it. Whoa. I'm going to pretend that I didn't. Now the drag and drop also gone. Seriously. Okay. Drag drop gone. Now let's do the magic. Close the project. Come on. What is this? I think I broke the IDE. Maybe we need to go here like quit. No moment. Let's go force quit and we will call this postgre. Alright, now let's open it again. Compose. Android Studio got angry on Float. How could you do that to me? Yeah, I think it got confused when I named the package Float. Is it possible to reproduce that bug? Let's try int. Okay, now let's drag this here, refactor. Okay, invalid package name, cancel. No. I think what happened is I click refactor again and again and again and again and again. Then I saw this, I clicked OK, and then I clicked here. Alright. Now the drag. I think I broke it again. Okay, let's go back. Now we have steps to reproduce. Sorry for that. Damn. I think the issue tracker had a small name like issue.tracker. No, like JetBrains had a sweet domain for the issue tracker. Let's see, JetBrains issue tracker. Then the domain was, yeah, bug found. I mean, they had a really cool domain. Entry to Mike. Mike, thanks for the follow. Thanks for pressing that button. It means a lot to me. Alright, now we'll create a new issue. I think it should be Android Studio related. I don't know where should I report that. It should be in the Google issue tracker. Maybe we can reverse this share your feedback. Okay. Yes, this is the right place to let's report that later. I'll do this after the stream. Maybe it will be boring for the infinite amount of watchers. Anyway, we'll remove this and we will anyway. Yep, so next we are going to, what was that, color, right? Color, we will do, what are we planning to do with color? We will have a box, then clicking on that will simply change color, and the animate color as state, Does it have any other properties? Like it has an animation spec. Okay. Finished listener. Okay, that's cool. But I think those are same like the animate float. So yeah, we'll simply implement the color. It's property as state. Oh, sorry. I think this should be outside. Why the hell I dragged that into here? Like, okay, animate float as state demo. We'll create a copy of this. We'll say animate color as state demo. Okay, and in here we'll switch from red to green. Okay, we'll call this target color, and we'll probably only have one, so we don't need the child sample. We can directly put it here. So the target color, so we'll call animated color here. It will be animate color as state. Target value will be target color. And what? Okay. Animated color. Okay. Do we have a red box? Yes, we do have a red box. What is this actually? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think that was for the animate color state, red box. Yeah, here we had a different one, update transition, animate state content. So this was, when did I create this? 21/9, okay, last month. And yeah, that's okay. I think we won't be able to, we don't have to reuse that. We will create a box and it will have a constant size of 50 dp and then a background color when we call animated color, I guess. Yeah, and yeah, that should work. Let's call this from here. We need to move faster, I guess. I mean, we can't spend too much time on these minor animations. We'll move faster. Plot and color is done. Next we are going to say dp. Right, no, we are going to create a sample for the animate dp at stage. Animates the dp value. Then we'll do the same here, dp is the package. Then we'll copy the color sample and we will say animate dp as state. Okay, now we have what we have. Yeah, we'll fix that, but before doing that, animate dp as state. Animate dp. Okay, animate dp has what? The same thing, animation spec, finished listener. That's okay. We don't have to cover those because we already covered that in the float sample. And target color. Well, then target color, what are we going to say? We'll say 50 dp else 100 dp. We'll go with the same box, but this time we will I think we should use an image here. How do I use an image? Basically we'll say Tesla logo and it should be target size, or let's call it target dp, and then we'll call animated dp. Yeah, And what the heck am I doing here? No. Okay, animated DP. Yeah. Yes. Okay, now we'll go back. I think we need to add a bookmark here because we are going to come here a lot of. Okay, animate DPI state, import that. Let's give it a compile, build, run. Animate color as state, float as state, animate color. Come on, correct, come on. We didn't name that. Okay, it's still float. How come? Come on. Yep. And this should. I don't understand why the race came there. Okay. So we have animate color as state. No. Maybe we need to put some duration, like animation spec tween duration should be like 250. I mean 2.5 seconds. Yeah, I think should be enough. That's cool. I would like to increase the size a bit. Animate DPI state. Oh, that looks cool. Okay. Now what are we going to do here? Next. Okay. DP done. Size. What is animate size? Well, let's see. Do we have the size value? I don't know what that is, but we'll look into it. We'll copy the DPI state, we'll put it here, we'll call this animate size as state. Okay, this will be size as state, and we'll say animate size as state. Oh, I think it, it helps to animate two values. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so if like size, it will be, we will animate a card, or what do you call, rectangle to a what? A horizontal rectangle. That's the name. Okay. What is the real name of this? Vertical rectangle? Seriously? So, it's the real name? Horizontal rectangle? I don't know. Well, we'll call it horizontal rectangle. We'll animate a horizontal rectangle to a vertical one. So, you're expecting a float here. Okay, it's cool. I would like to put this inside the braces. And 300 to, let's say 800 to 300, then we'll convert that to 300, 800. Target size, okay. Target value here, we are going to Oh, make that rectangle horizontal and then vertical to make it square, then vertical to make it square, maybe to show the animation. Make that rectangle horizontal and then vertical. Make that rectangle horizontal and then vertical to make it square, maybe. But a vertical rectangle is not a square, right? That's a third transition, isn't it? Or you were saying something else? Anyway, we will target size is here and we'll call this animated size, and this is the target size. And first small square, then horizontal rectangle, and then make it vertically expand to make it big vertical rectangle, maybe. Yeah, like we either have we have a boolean flag here. It should, I mean, it can be either true or false. There is no ideal state. But it's possible. Maybe we can do, you know, a flag here, a state maybe, but that will complicate the example. I mean, this is just to showcase the minimum usage of that API, right? What do you think? Yeah, there is only play pause. Yeah, conserve multiple animation with that. Yeah, let's go with this one. Okay. TP size. Okay. Whoa. Wait a second. This returns the size. And how can I use the size? Oh. Maybe we can call this DP or to DP size. Wait a second. No, there is no single function to do this. Alright, we can do width is equal to animated size dot width, height equal to animated size dot height. And what is this? It expects DP. Yeah. But it accepts DP size. Okay. Is that DP size? Okay. It accepts what? It accepts size. Okay, DP size should be child of size, I guess. And I think we don't have to use. Okay, this is better. And can you do this? No. Why is that? It is DP size is child of the naming. It's really confusing, isn't it? I mean, when we say size and DP size, what would we think? Like, we'll think that DP size is a subclass of size, right? I mean, I don't know. Maybe just the expectation. I'm not saying it is utter bullshit. I mean, I'm not saying it is utter bullshit, but I'm nobody. I'm a nobody to say that. Anyway, we'll go with the previous approach. We will create the size object, then we will call the width or dp or whatever, and it should work. Animate the size. Animate the size, not size. Animate the size object. Okay. Now we have dp color. Okay, cool. Alright, now what are we going to do here? No, we want to look at it. What is that? Oh, we should have used a it's actually looks cool. Oh, I mean, should I use the box there? I don't know. Yeah, we should have used a box, definitely. Square image. Square image. What do you mean by square image? Maybe square image. No, it's no. I mean, you know, when we do size transition, we actually shouldn't do that with colors, because we wouldn't know which side is actually gaining, you know, gaining space. Yep. Maybe I should remove a 0. It should be fine. But it should be a box. What happened here? What happened? 80f, 30f, 30f, 80f. Okay, we change the we change the image. We shouldn't do that actually. Yeah, that's enough. We'll go with maybe a width of 300, and then yeah, I think that should work. Yeah, yep. Image size object. Yep. Then okay, we are done with the size object. Now we are going to try bounce. Okay, let's try that. Size is done. Let's call animate bounce state demo. Okay, animate bounce. Animate. Wait a second. Maybe are we? But is there a bounce variant? we'll go, we go, we go, we'll go, we go, we go, we go, we go. Look at that. Animates as state function for float color bounds offset. So there should be animate as animate bound as state. But wait a second. Animate bounds. Gotta do like dinner will come later for now. Bye bye. Thanks. Bye man. Bye bye. See you later. Alright, now we are going to add the bound. We are going to try the bounds animation, but I don't see animate bounds as state. Maybe they removed that. Later alligator. Later alligator. Where is the animate bounds? Animate bound as state. Let's go search inside here. Now matching result. I mean, let's go search in the Slack channel if anyone. I have a lazy column with Android view items, and I'm just noticing that Android view update is getting called on every scroll over composition. Is this expected? Good question. How do I? Hi Ryan, thanks again for mentioning that Slack channel to me. I would have given up on KMM otherwise. Yeah, this is actually very helpful. And this is actually a good question. We need to, how do we subscribe to this? Get notified about new reply. Yep. Is the form component available or any other way to achieve the same? Form component, what is that? Right, let's go see if there is anything new here. 411 is out. Bundling M96 of Skia, that was 2 breaking engines of working shaders. Okay, why did we, okay, animate bound as state. I'm looking for this method, but it's not there. It's there in the documentation. I mean, I don't know if they, where is that? So bounds, animate state function for float color dp size and bounds. Okay, we will. Why it happened? Anyway, I just saw that Google has sent someone to port constraint layer to compose. Seriously, that's a good news. Constraint layout to compose. Can you paste the ticket number or anything if you have any link that I would like to subscribe, or I can do this constraint layout compose desktop issue tracker. Would that work? No. Yeah, please, thanks. Compose. So there is no animate bound as state. I just want to get it confirmed. Okay. but I don't see animate bounds as state. Remove, or it's a doc mistake. Yep, that's it. So we will, all right, thank you so much. Support for desktop assigned to OS. Who is OS? Anyway, it's equally priority P2 to P1. That's awesome. This is a great news. Cool. Alright, now animate bounds as state. Is that good? I mean, P2 to P1, or constraint layers is good or not? Yeah, P2 to P1. P1 is the high priority thing, I guess. I don't know if there is a P0, but let's see if there is a P0 or what. Priority, I don't know if there is P0, but P1 is the highest priority. Yeah, it's good. All right. This is open. Did you open this issue? It says RA, that stands for RAM. Alright, now we will continue to develop that sample. We don't have, unfortunately we don't have bounds as they mentioned in the doc, so we'll have to remove this. Next we will be, now I found it about 2 weeks ago roughly. Alright. Animate property, we'll go with offset. Okay, offset, then we'll copy this and we'll call this animate offset as state demo, right? And kind of annoying, I'm going to have to strip out constraint layer from my compose cam Sudoku lab just to add it back in whenever. Yeah, that's very annoying. But is there any other solution you can do? No. But you can creating different UI for doesn't make sense at all. All right. What happened to my sound? Okay, cool. Now we will go with animate offset as state demo, and we are going to, no, we don't, I mean, actually we need this only. Unremembered mutable state, why is it suppressed? Who did that? I don't know. Let's replace that. Yeah, dps state, we'll copy this to offset and we will call this offset as state, and we'll use the API here. We say animate offset as state, and we'll give it a offset xy. Okay, can we change the position from here? That's really cool. Okay, we will play with that. That's actually really cool. Offset, I think, does it accept an int offset? It won't accept, right? Anyway, are you going to accept it or not? No. Required offset found, int offset. This is a confusing part for me, you know. To me, it's like when we say offset and int offset, I would expect or assume that int offset is a child or extends offset. I don't know if that's it's my problem, but I think they shouldn't have named it this way. Anyway, offset, we'll say like 100f 100f, then we will say to 50f, or we'll say 150, then 50 100. Yeah, we will show you some difference if you are using this for height and width, and we'll put it here, and then we will go over here and we'll see there is an animation spec, but we already have used that inside the float demo. Yep. And I'll call this target offset, and this will be animated offset. Okay, now we'll apply the offset. So this is an offset object, right? Is there any method that accepts an offset? I think no. I think we don't have a method that accepts offset directly, but we definitely can use the values, but that's not the point here. We need to selectable, selector. What is selectable? What is that? Debug inspector info. Factory method for avoiding DSL allocation when no debug inspector info is needed. Okay. Oh, that's cool. So this debugger info is used for maybe, I don't know. Debugger info. Inspectable. Use this to group a common set of modifiers and provide inspector info for the resulting modifier. Inspectable wrapper, inspectable modifier. What is inspectable? What is this debug inspector info? Is it for any IDE tools? BRB. Yep, sure. All right. Anyway, we will implement the offset x equal to, but I would like to have a method that accepts the offset directly rather than giving the xy, but that is also good. I don't know. Stretch. Okay, all right. What are we going to do here? We will give the x and y. X dp, yeah, y animator set, but I don't like calling this like this, but anyway, it is better than nothing. So this is animate float, and we have animate offset. We are going to add this here, like animate offset as state animates the offset object. Yeah, animates offset as state. All right. Right, what happened? Okay, we have, hi Faris Hussein, how's it going? Thanks for coming again. All right, now, okay, let's play with some negative values. We'll say 50, yeah, how about that? Or it should go from grade also. Yeah, that is actually cool, but I would like to move that to somewhere else. Let's reduce the y like 130 and change this to 30. Like x should move little left, go up. Yep. Did you try the triangle or no? But I think we have that inside the to do. Where is the to do? We didn't add a to do for that. Yeah, we do have that. That's the advanced version. Yeah. Yeah, we will work on that. Don't worry about that. Yep. So now we are okay. I think it could be on some static position first. I don't know. No, should be little above. Like let's reduce the y to 20. Right. Is there any way we can say that it shouldn't go out of the bound? Tween there was something about bound, right? Okay, that is I think that is only available for size transform or content transform, I guess. Clipping is not available for maybe we do have that inside somewhere here. No, do we have anything related to clip to bounds? I don't know what that is. Clip the content to the bounds of layer defined as this modifier. Would that make a difference here? No. Is it because the order? Definitely no, but a try won't hurt. What just happened here? Okay, so this is the bounds. That makes sense. What are you trying? I don't know. I'm just trying whatever we have in the animation API and just creating a sample with that. I think you know the second part, creating the sample. And I think we'll need some space over here, so we'll add that. Okay, vertical space never used. Child sample space height of 5, yeah, 5 or 10 maybe. No, I meant the fifth animation. Fifth, yeah, let's look at the fifth one. So I mean, I'm just moving the items, that's it. We have an animate offset as state animation which will animate the offset, you know, and I'm about to sneeze. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it will animate the offset. I was just trying that. Is that clear? Wait a second, animate float as state. Let's have this. Okay. Oh, we do not have. Should we say that like column? I think so. Or is it needed? I think it's not needed here. It's already inside the column scope, I guess. Let's call this as column scope. Okay, and this should be only called from the column scope. And I think we need to add a spacing here also, like 20 or something. 20 would be, yep. 20 would be, I think it would be, I don't know, let's see. No. Yes. Yep. Yeah. Okay, we have the offset right now. Now we have rect. I think with rect we can modify. I think we can modify 4 values, I guess. x1 y1, x2 y2. Yeah. And what is this? Animate rect as state. Before going inside, I need to check if there is rect as state. And we will create a package called rect, and we'll simply copy paste the template animate rect as state demo. We add that demo here. We'll rename the method, and then before doing that I need to modify this. Animates the rectangle or the rect object. Yeah, rect object is fine. And the rect, yeah. Is there any way to completely remove the word? No, that removed the how about shift backspace? No. How about alt backspace? Alt backspace removes the entire thing to the left. How about control backspace? No. Let's search for that. In the Lige, remove word backspace shortcut. Control backspace to delete a word backward. Doesn't space. Control backspace to delete a word backward doesn't work in terminal. maybe okay, by saying word probably they meant sentence, for example, if I have this sentence, and if I press Control backspace, no, okay, Alt backspace, it will remove word by word. Okay, yeah, makes sense. I think there is no option to do that, but let's search one more time. What happened? Let's search one more time. Keyboard shortcuts. Okay, maybe we need to look at that. How to read keywords separately by capital letters. This is what I want to. This is IntelliJ. Control by release previous word. The word can be defined as anything between two spaces. Camel case notation. Okay, I think we do have that. The default is option 1. Huh. Okay. Oh, settings, smart keys, use camel humps. Okay, we'll go see that option. Smart keys. Okay, honor camel humps for settings. Okay, now let's give it a try. Suppose it was offset before and I press Control backspace, doesn't work. Yes, Alt backspace. Yep, that's cool. Okay, now the rectangle state. Okay, yeah. Okay, now we need to change the rectangle. So rect can be created. We have a radius. Oh, that is actually pretty cool. Offset. So rect. Okay. Oh, rect is a combination of offset and size, I guess. That is cool. Rect is also used for, I think it is used for to create circle. Oh, let's see. Let's look at the constructors. And this is being used where? The radius, this one is being used by a lot of things. We'll press find usage. There are 100 plus, no, 90 usage. Unclassified. What is unclassified? What is unclassified usage? Oh, hours. Okay. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. I mean, you see this, they show it in which package the method is being used. Great. Call. Okay, so let's, I don't know if they're using the, oh, it's just the word. How do I find, let's look at geometry, rect, no, rounded corner shape. Okay, what are you using? Corner based shape. What are we looking for? We are looking for usage of rect with rectangle that bounds the given circle. Okay, center offset of the represent. Okay, but this is invalid. This is purely invalid. This is the usage of the word, not the method. All right. I'm sorry. Sorry for that. All right. How do I see the usage of this particular method? I would like to see that. Let's give it a try here. uh, 2f. Okay, then we need radius in. Yep. Now, is there any way I can search this? The same result? No, no way. Never mind. So rounded corner shape is not using the rect, right? Internally corner size, no, they are not using the rect. Are you using the rect? No. Are you using the rect? No. Outline, you? No. Yes. 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 Rectangular area, but rectangle. It's not circle. Rounded. Okay, rounded rect. Rounded rect using rounded rect. Okay, it's data class. It has scale redirect. How do I pronounce that? This might happen racy on different threads. We don't care. It'll be the same result. All right. Animate rect. Let's animate the rectangle. Okay, we don't care. Top left offset, and then bottom right offset. Okay, that is one constructor. Then we have an offset that probably for xy, then a size. I mean, internally it will be working the same way. Then we have another one we can give, like, 4 positions, left top and right bottom. Yeah, we will go with the 4th one. Okay, we will start. Arun is in here. I think I didn't see him today. He's not here. Right will be, yes, let's call it 100f. Okay, Sivansh, thank you for the follow, appreciate it. And we'll say we will move the rectangle, also it will we only have offset size doesn't accept rect or shape, no. Background color, it accept a shape. Is rect a shape? No, rect is definitely not a shape. We'll see. It's a target rect. We need to find method that accepts the rectangle. Okay, so animate rect as state target rect target rect. No, I can't look right here. Animated as a not animated. Wait a second. Okay, animated rect. So we need to find a method that accepts a rectangle. Okay, I'll be leaving last section tomorrow. Bye. All the best, man. Bye bye. Now we need a method that accepts a rect, or we will have to absolute offset. Okay, no. Tab indicator offset, no. Does anyone know any method that accepts a rectangle or rect? We'll go bottom to top. No. Okay, wait, I saw something. Tri-state toggleable. Tri-state toggleable? What is that? Sorry. What is tri-state toggleable? I don't know. Configure component to make it toggle via input and accessibility even with 3 states: on, off, and oh. Does anyone know what is this? Debug inspector info. I think we should disable that because it is only selecting a word. What if I press no, alt, no, shift, no? I think we should disable that because it only selects. What is preference? The camel horn camels for setting when selecting on double click. No. Okay, that's cool. And when I press, okay, that will check later. But what is debug inspector info? What is that? An example of how contents. Is there a layout inspector like True Compose? Also, like in code I see. Yeah. Test 1. Test. This was asked on February. Feb. What is this? It should be something related to the tooling, I guess. Inspector info, debug inspector info. Okay, we'll ask this person. What is the I think we don't have a method that accepts the rect directly. Maybe this is useful when we have, a canvas or something. That makes sense. Yeah, that would be cool. Let's do that. So this modifier will create a canvas of size what? We'll create a canvas of size 500 dp maybe, and we will draw a rectangle. Draw rect. Draw round rect. Okay, we'll simply call. Oh, it doesn't accept a, yeah, but anyway, do we need to use a canvas for this? We have top left offset. No, definitely no. We'll use a box. Sorry, this should be oh, we have a lot of bottom center means, oh, that's really cool. So with the rect is actually kind of like a utility class. If you are playing with positions, like it has this bottom center which should give half of the width. Bottom left similarly, or the position. Oh, this is position. Yeah, and that's cool. Max dimension means what? Max dimension what? The greater of the magnitude of the width and the height of this rectangle. Okay, that's cool. Okay, got it. That's interesting. That's really interesting. But anyway, we will use x or width. Left top. Then when we talk about size, we'd say right. This is not the right way to use this. I don't think this is the right way to do this. No, that's not the right way to use this. No, this is not the right way to do this. No. No, 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 no. No, we'll try with this, see how the output looks. I need to slow that. Okay, we need to use, that's one mistake. We will say, we'll say go up. Okay. So from static position left, this is x and y. This is x1 y1 and x2 y2. So x1, it's okay, and y will call the minus. We'll call same, but it will be minus. Let's see how that works. It should go up. Oh, so it won't click. Oh, it's because the size went negative. Size can't be negative. Okay, maybe we will put a negative there to bring that up, but wow, that's fine. That's okay. Right. Now int, do we really need to do that? Int and int offset is same as float, except it returns. Let's do that. I think we don't need a package. We can directly put this here. That's kind of dumb. No. All right, now we have okay, we'll commit this change, add dp, then size, then offset, then what, then red samples. Let's open this and see the commits. Okay, we have added animate as slot today. Okay, dp size offset rectangle. Okay, now we'll add int, bring this to do here. Animate int state description animates the int value, and we are getting the isActive flag here. We will create a file just like float. We'll create a file, just like float, we'll create a file called animate int as state. It looks like I have two viewers right now. Is that a bug, or there are two viewers? Can you guys comment on the chat or in the chat? Just want to make sure that people. Okay, now this will create. I think it looks like it's a bug. So I'm 0 viewers right now, or no one is listening. That's okay. I will keep going. Yes, simple usage, advanced usage. I mean, we don't need that. I mean, we only need. I think I fix all package and does not match in file. Is there a way to do this? Run inspection on your wall project. Do it. And once this is done, I should have a button called something like fix all. Do I have that button? Change files package to my directory, move file value. Yes, that is cool. All right, now we are animating the int. Okay, let's remove this sample from here, replace with something small, and this should be 50. And I mean, I don't find animate int as state. Target int, animated int, and I don't think this is necessary, but since we are going to cover all the APIs, yes, this is needed. Animate content size. No, that won't work unless we have some size animating property there. But target int. Maybe I can say target animator int.dp. You know, a very small sample. Yep. We are going to take a break from this project. All right, we'll work on these maybe tomorrow, but we are not going to end the stream. We will switch the project. We will play with something fun, something. All right, let's sample package. We might change the Okay, did we push that? I think we did. Yeah, we will play with something else. What do you want to do? Yeah, we have a feature implementation remaining. Search working are properly fixed in. This was fixed in what? 1.1.0. Yep. So we will close this issue. Yep. And app crashes, we don't have enough information here. And JDK check. Yeah, that's a good thing to do. Well, let's do that, but we have other pending feature. We'll work on that. So we will implement that pending feature first, then we'll come back to this ticket. The issue. First, we need to open this IntelliJ CE. last commit should be what? Should be start next development version. Yep. Alright, and the current version, the new version is, hold on a second.